Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new poem. The poem name is Train. Have you traveled on a train? Yes, right? Everybody must have traveled on a train, right? So here it is a poem about a train. We have to read and we have to enjoy this poem. So shall we start? Okay. Trains. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the train. Now over here we are talking about the train. You all must have traveled in the train. You all must have been sitting near the window of the train and you must be enjoying the beauty, the nature's beauty outside the window. How the train runs on the track, how it passes through the tunnels, through the bridge, everywhere, how it goes in a zigzag way on the track. And you can see the another train is also coming in the opposite direction. So you all must have traveled the train, in the train, and you must have enjoyed the ride of the train also, children. Yes. So over here the poet says how the train runs. It runs over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here comes the train. The poet says कि ट्रेन कहाँ कहाँ दौड़ती है, पहाड़ों में, फिर जो प्लेन्स जो फ्लैट लैंड्स रहते हैं वहाँ पे, रिवर्स के पास से, और ट्रेन जो है, जो रेलगाड़ी है वो कहाँ कहाँ से पसार होती है. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Now, what else work does the train does? Carrying passengers, right? यात्रियाँ जो रहती, जो पैसेंजर्स रहते हैं, पैसेंजर्स को वो ट्रेन कैरी करते हैं, राइट? ट्रेन के अंदर पैसेंजर्स ट्रैवल करते हैं. फिर कैरिंग मेल्स, ब्रिंगिंग देयर प्रेशियस लोड्स, जो कीमती कीमती चीज़ें रहती है वो लोग लेके आते हैं ट्रेन में, इन विदाउट फेल, बिना भूले. सो द ट्रेन ऑल्सो डज दिस वर्क. लगेज ट्रेन वी से, इन दैट मैनी प्रेशियस थिंग्स ऑफ द पीपल आर देयर इन द ट्रेन. इट इज़ सेंड बाय द पीपल थ्रू ट्रेन. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फ्राइट कार्स all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. यहाँ पे फ्राइट कार्स जो है वो क्या है, यहाँ पे गुड्स कार, जो गुड्स कैरी करती है, जो रेलगाड़ी गुड्स, उसे हम कहते हैं फ्राइट कार्स. तो वो दौड़ती रहती है, दिन हो या फिर रात हो, अंधेरा हो गया हो, थ्रू डस्क एंड डॉन. डस्क मतलब क्या, शाम का टाइम. डॉन जो है वो सुबह का टाइम. तो वो टाइम समय बिल्कुल नहीं देखती रेलगाड़ी, वो सिर्फ दौड़ती रहती है ट्रैक्स पे, उसका काम करती रहती है और समय पे सब कुछ पहुंचाती है. ओवर द माउंटेन्स, ओवर द प्लेन्स, ओवर द रिवर्स, हियर कम्स द ट्रेन. फिर से वही ट्रेन कहाँ पे दौड़ती है, पहाड़ों पे, जो फ्लैट लैंड्स रहते हैं वहाँ पे, नदियों के बीच, और जहाँ पे भी है वहाँ पे ट्रेन बस दौड़ती ही चली जाती है, दौड़ती ही चली जाती है. नाउ विल रीड द पोएम. ट्रेन्स. ओवर द माउंटेन्स, ओवर द प्लेन्स, ओवर द रिवर्स, हियर कम्स द ट्रेन. कैरिंग पैसेंजर्स, कैरिंग मेल, ब्रिंगिंग देयर प्रेशियस लोड्स इन विदाउट फेल. गुड्स ट्रेन हम कहते हैं ना, लगेज ट्रेन, गुड्स की ट्रेन. जो चीज़ें जो रहती है, यहाँ से वहाँ कोई चीज़ कोई मंगाता है, राइट? तो यहाँ से वहाँ पार्सल जो रहते हैं बड़े बड़े, वो गुड्स ट्रेन में सप्लाई होते हैं. गुड ट्रेन्स वो कैरी करके एक जगह पे दूसरी जगह पे सेंड करते हैं. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फ्राइट कार्स, all rushing on through day and darkness, through the dusk and dawn. गुड्स ट्रेन की बात हो रही है कि thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, थ्रू डस्क एंड डॉन, ना दिन ना रात, ना सुबह ना शाम, कुछ भी नहीं देखती, बस वो दौड़ती जाती है। उसका काम जो है गुड्स का समय पे पहुंचाना, तो वो जो उसका समय रहता है, द टाइम विच इज़ गिवन एट द परफेक्ट टाइम, द ट्रेन रन्स एंड रीचेज ऑन द परफेक्ट टाइम over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here comes the train. Again, where it goes, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here comes the train. Now we'll learn the new words. Mountains, passengers. Mountains यानी क्या, पहाड़ हम कहते हैं। पैसेंजर्स जो ट्रेन में जो ट्रैवल करते हैं वो। रिवर, स्मॉल स्मॉल रिवर्स जो नदी रहती है वो। प्रेशियस, कीमती चीज़ें, वेरी वैल्यूबल थिंग्स। मेल, मेल मीन्स वॉट, द थिंग्स, लेटर्स। देन वॉट अदर इज प्लेन, प्लेन इज वॉट, अ लेवल लैंड। डस्क, डस्क मीन्स वॉट, इवनिंग टाइम। एंड dawn is what, early morning. Okay children, now we'll go to the next page. Here what it is said, example, here you have to write, you have to describe an interesting train or bus journey where you have been taken or would like to take. Here you have to write 4 sentences about your journey. You have to write 4 sentences about your journey. So you can use some of the following words and phrases. What you have to do children over here, where the blank is given, over here you have to write over here the journey which you have travelled. So we'll write here in the blanks which is given. Here you have to share the journey which you have shared with your father when you went to the railway station. So we'll start. I went to the railway station with my father to go to Haridwar. So where you were going? You were going to Haridwar. There were many people at the railway station. What were there over there? There were many people at the railway station. There were many people at the railway station. Right? Then what happens? My father took the tickets. What happened? The father took the tickets from the crowded ticket window. Now everybody wants to travel, so it was too much crowded. So what the child is sharing the experience that the father went to the ticket window, but it was too much crowded. Then also the father managed to take the ticket. I took the window seat. What happens when they took the ticket, when they entered the train? What over here the child is saying? The child is saying that the child got the window seat. The train started with a loud whistle. Have you noticed that? When usually a train starts, it gives a loud whistle. It is a signal for starting. It soon took speed. When the train is on the platform, the train runs slowly, but as the platform comes to an end, the train takes the speed. I saw hills, rivers, big and small trees. What did the child notice over here? The child noticed hills, rivers, big and small trees through the window. So where the child was sitting near the window, and everything it has been noticed through the window. So once again we will read the paragraph. I went to the railway station with my father to go to Haridwar. There were many people at the railway station. My father took the tickets from the crowded ticket window. I took the window seat. The train started with a loud whistle. It soon took speed. I saw hills, rivers, big and small trees through the window. Okay, so this was the experience sharing by a poet about the train. Now we'll do the down exercise. Sort out these different means of transport into correct group. One is done for you. Now you can see over here 3 columns are given: land, air, water. Now in this box your vehicles names are given. Now looking at the vehicles, looking at the 3 boxes, we have to write which vehicle will go in which column: land, air, water. So bus, car, aeroplane, ship, boat, train, bicycle, helicopter, truck, steamer. So you can see over here. Now we'll read the first one, land. Now first is what? Bus. Bus is already done over here. Second is car. So car, where it runs? It runs on the road, on the land. So it will go in LAND, land column. Aeroplane. Where do you find aeroplane? Aeroplane flies in the sky. So it is a airways. So it is in air column. Ship. Usually we find ship sailing in the water. So it will write in water column. Boat. Boat also travels in water. So it is water column. Train. Now train is a land vehicle. So we'll write in land. Bicycle. Bicycle also travels on land. So bicycle on land. Helicopter. Helicopter travels in the, it is an airway. So it will go in airway column. Truck. So truck again will write over here in land. TRUCK. Truck. Steamer. So steamer is a air waterway. So it will go in waterway column. So once again we will read: in land, bus, car, train, bicycle, truck. Airways, aeroplane, helicopter. Water, ship, boat, steamer. Now we'll do this exercise. Complete the sentences. Give me some dash to eat. So what? Food. Play with dash. Me or grey? Me. Swim across the river or the boat? The river. Let's get on the train or dawn. So the correct answer is train. Once again we will read: give me some food to eat, play with me, swim across the river, let's get on the train. So dear children, please complete this exercise in your English textbook and complete the poem in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.